Hello, let's try to solve another question from exponential equation. This is the question right here, and when we look at the question clearly, what we see is the base is x everywhere, and the power, this is the power for x, and the power has been multiplied by another term, 1 by c minus a. The power of the first x is a divided by a minus b, and it has been multiplied by another power outside the bracket, which is 1 by c minus a. And since we know that this form, first term is in this form, x to the power a times b, so it means x to the power a times b according to the law of indices. So let's write it more clearly, is equal to x a by a minus b times 1 by c minus a. Similarly, we can do it for these terms. Yes, also what we have to do is when we multiply these three terms, so we should get 1. So we have to show when we multiply these three terms, the answer should be 1. So let us at first try to solve these three terms. So the first step is this, we got this. Also, this term right here is in the form xa times xb times xc. These are the bases, and these x are the common bases, and it has certain power which are different in every x. So when 3x are having same base, that is x, have different power and it multiplies, then we can add the power and write it in the form of single base. So we can write like this. It is the rule for indices, another rule of indices. Here I've added the power since the bases are same, which is x. So now let us take the LCM. Here a minus b is here 2 times, c minus a is here, which is also 2 times repeated, and b minus c is also 2 times repeated. So our LCM will be a minus b and c minus a, which is written 1 time, and b minus c, which is also written 1 time. So on the numerator, what we get is here is a times. So since we already have a minus b and c minus a in this first term, but we don't have b minus c, so we'll multiply it by b minus c. Similarly, we can do it for the second term, b times here. I don't see c minus a, so I'll multiply it by c minus a plus c times here a minus b. Is the simple simplification or LCM. Now we have to multiply this a to the both inner terms. We should distribute this a to the inner terms. So this gives a times b means ab, minus a times c gives ac, plus b times c means bc, plus minus minus b times a means ab, c times a multiplies to give ca, and c times b multiply to give, since positive and negative, we get negative cb divided by a minus b c minus a. It's the denominator part. I've written is as it is. Now if you look at this numerator part clearly, we can see that there is positive and negative ab, negative ac and positive ca. It's the same, positive bc and negative cb. So we can write x to the power 0 divided by something, which is a minus b, c minus a, and b minus c. So this gives x to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So we proved that these three terms multiplied to give 1, and it is our answer. I hope you got the concept, and yes, thanks for watching.